The WITC Learning Resource Centers are proud to present a demonstration video on the database Cinahl. There's a reason they call it Cinahl, because the acronym actually stands for the Cumulative Index of Nursing and Allied Health Literature. Essentially, that equals the best research resource ever for nursing and allied health students. But, saying all the time, the Cumulative Index of Nursing and Allied Health Literature does not exactly, well, roll off the tongue. Cinahl is provided by the database corporation EBSCOhost. You might already be familiar with the EBSCOhost product, and you can use some of the lessons that you've learned here to help you as you search for information in the WITC research databases. To reach Cinahl, start out at witc.edu and click on the library link at the bottom of the page. This will take you to our 24/7 web presence. Continuing, you can click on Research Databases, and you'll note that Cinahl is the second item on the list. And this will open up the Cinahl interface. We're now in the Cinahl interface. Let's quick do a basic search. I'm just going to search for the term heart and click search. What I get for returns are 85,000 different articles, and I'm going to click on just one of them to demonstrate. What we see is the title of the article, all the authors, the language it was written in, publishing information, but not much more. What we see here actually is the fact that this article is just an abstract, very, very little information, so it fulfills part of our search. But let's click backwards. Within those 85,000 results, we're going to want to get more information and get it quickly to ourselves. So what we will do is we're going to click on full text, and this will update our search and return articles that we can physically be able to see. From our previous search, we can see that we've, well, narrowed the field down a lot. We now only have 22,000 results. Let's click on that first article and see what we've returned. By clicking on full text only, we receive specific articles that we can look at immediately. You'll notice most of the structure is very, very similar to our previous article, but we can also see the full range of information in the article. This is going to be very, very helpful when you're writing a paper, or you're trying to do some research on a specific given topic. There are also a host of options on your right-hand side that you can take a look at. We can print out this entire article, email it to other classmates or a faculty member, save it to a floppy disk. We can grab the citation information for those of you concerned with APA. We can export the record, create a permalink so we can always come back to this record, and there's also a way to listen to each and every one of these articles.
Understanding heart failure. An understanding of how the heart works, including the role of the renin ganglion and Cinahl.
So maybe that's not as impressive as we'd like it to be, but it can be very, very helpful. Let's take a look at using your advanced search features right away. We can bypass the basic search principles and go straight to advanced search by clicking, well, on advanced search. From here, we can enter our search terms such as heart, and we can add additional search terms such as adults. So this will search for anything with hearts dealing in adults. And select full text as well. And I can also check this important box, any author is a nurse. And I'm going to click on search. We'll see how many articles we get back. This definitely narrows your information field down a lot. Let's click on that first link. And once again, we get our full article with the abstract, the ability to print, save, cite. And in the case of this article, it's a PDF, which we can click and open, which gives us the original document, which we can once again print. If you have any questions regarding any of this content, don't hesitate to contact your learning resource centers for more answers.